Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatimah Adzakiyah Sausan from Bilingual Terpadu Junior High School 2. And today, I will tell you a story. The title is The Legend of Pari Temple. A long time ago, there lived an old man in the Penanggungan mountain. His name was Kiai Gede Penanggungan, and he had a supernatural power. Kiai Gede Penanggungan had a beautiful daughter named Dewi Walangangin, who was not married yet. Kiai Gede Penanggungan prayed days and nights for her daughter to have a husband. Finally, God answered his prayer. One day, a young handsome man came to his place, and the young man said, I come here because I want to be your student. I want to learn a lot of things from you. And my name is Jacob Pandelegan. Kiai Gede say, I will take you as my student, but you have to marry my daughter. Agree? Jacob took a deep breath. Then he said, Yes, I agree. I will marry your daughter. Jacob Pandelegan and Dewi Walangangin soon got married. Then, Kiai Gede Penanggungan told Jacob many things. After several years, now it was time for the couple to live separately from Kiai Gede Penanggungan. They would move in another village. Kiai Gede Penanggungan said, I know you can live with me forever. Before you go, please take this seed of Pari. After every time people ask you, give them some. Don't be arrogant when you are rich, say Kiai Gede. After that, the couple left him and broke the seed. The couple started a new life. They plant the seed, and soon the seed grew and become a lot of rice. Now, the couple become very rich. And the poor neighbor came to the couple to ask some paddy seeds, but the couple refused to help them. Then Jacob said, No way! If you want to ask my rice, if you want to eat, you have to work hard like me, say Jacob. One day, a young man with a limp and had one eye came and asked to be a student. Sir, please help me, sir. Please help me to survive. I don't want to ask your rice, but please teach me how to plant the seed. Jacob had a bad idea, guys. And he teach the young man incorrectly. And he also bullied the young man because the young man is disabled. However, the young man know that he was tricked by Jacob Pandelegan. He tried to learn more independently, and he made some innovation to grow the rice. And he did, guys. He was more success than Jacob Pandelegan, but he was also a kind man and who shared the yield for poor people. Hear that? Jacob Pandelegan was angry, and Jacob said, burn all the yield of the wheel. Ulang nih Ustaz ya. And hear that, Jacob Pandelegan was angry and said, burn all the yield of the young man. And Jacob tried to burn the field, but unfortunately, a heavy rain came and extinguished the fire. The young man came and said, Father, how could you like this to me? And Jacob Pandelegan was very surprised. Who are you? The young man said, I am your son, father. Do you still remember Dewi Ayu? She is my mother. How could you teach me the bad thing like this? And do you know, father? A parent should educate their children correctly, right, father? Jaka say, "Oh no, God! Oh no! How could I was being the very bad person? I can live as a human. I can live as a human. Oh God, please punish me!" Suddenly, the thunder came, and Jaka turned into a temple. So guys, this is my story. From this story, I want to remind everyone here that our problem in our education character. Our problem there is lack of education character. Bullying and unrespect still the issues of our education. Many cases in violence, especially in teacher, are done by the parents. Cases of bullying is still high in Indonesia, and in the future, it needs by the improve character development at all levels of character to prepare generation of gold. But this commitment needs to be agreed upon by government, private, and public. Thanks for your attention, and the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.